I Love Birds, an enchanting coloring book by Sherry Adler. This book was inspired by bird watching in the beautiful Monterey Peninsula of California. This book was printed responsibly on recycled paper from sustainably managed forests. There is a brief introduction and a list of illustrations indicating the specific birds which inspired these drawings. The first is called The Nesting Place and features a dark-eyed junco. This one is called A Bluebird Hello, featuring bluebirds of course, and is also shown on the cover. This one is called L'Opera de Mockingbird and features a performing mockingbird. And if you've ever heard a mockingbird outside your window, you know that they are capable of some really fantastic calls. This is called Vintage Seed Packets and was inspired by the kind of seed packet illustrations produced around the turn of the 20th century. On the left is a western tanager, and on the right, an American robin. This one is called the Spotted Birds Club. On the left is a spotted towhee, in the center a song sparrow, and on the right a northern flicker. This one is called Bird Watching Supplies. This one is called The Wren's Nest Inn, and this was inspired by the many interesting bed and breakfast establishments that are found here locally, and features a magpie in the lower left corner wearing a hat. This is called A Berry Party, showing 5 cedar waxwings munching on berries, something they love to do. This is called A Small Visitor, featuring a tufted titmouse with a poem. This one is called Nature Journaling at the Beach, and there is a Steller's jay perched on the journal, and on the other side a great blue heron looking up at him. This one is called The Philosopher, featuring an acorn woodpecker. This is called I Love Birds, featuring an American goldfinch. In the back, we have 2 pages of tips and suggestions for coloring this book. And on the second page in particular, there are suggestions regarding bird colors, markings, and shading on birds. The last page includes some bonus bookmarks just for fun. On the back cover, we have a reduced version of The Philosopher, partially colored in with a description of the book. And there you have it. Hope you enjoy.